Hello guys, so in the last video we unboxed some Hot Wheels and here are the boxes of the Hot Wheels I unboxed. So today we start off with Hot Wheels number 13 out of 250 Zinger 21C. And here it is. Now I don't know whether this is a fantasy Hot Wheels or a real Hot Wheels, so please correct me down in the comments whether it's a real Hot Wheels or not. Now the next Hot Wheels might be a little bit controversial, but it's a Tesla Model Y. And here it is. Yeah, this Tesla looks pretty with the license plate EV Speed. Yeah, it's so nice casting. The next Hot Wheels we have is a Fiat 500e. And here it is. It honestly feels pretty nice in it. Extra front headlight. No rear headlight, but oh well, it's a Fiat. Now the next Hot Wheels is the Barbie 1956 Corvette. And here it is. This is like a real life car turned into a movie car. So that's pretty nice. So the next Hot Wheels is the Audi RS e-tron GT. Now this Hot Wheel has a plug and go up front and rear license plate with all headlight details. Now the next Hot Wheels is a really big one, Ford F-150 Lightning Custom. And here it is. If you wanna why put the camera down, it is to unbox the Hot Wheels, so I hope that you understand. The next Hot Wheels, 87 Dodge D100. Now that's a good looking Dodge. Very good. No headlight details, but I'll be also doing shorts about every single one of the after the original 13 shorts are uploaded. So stay subscribed if you want to see them all open in the short. Now the next Hot Wheels is a Volkswagen T2 pickup. And here it is. I was honestly hoping for it to be a bit bigger so I can put my Hot Wheels on it. Let's see, can we put a Fiat 500 on? Yes we can. We can definitely put the Fiat 500 on it because it's so small. Now the next Hot Wheels a lot of people want. So this is like a very famous one. Honda Civic Si in the gold color. Now, I don't know whether there's not that many Hot Wheels collectors in my city, but I actually saw two of these. And I saw another two-weekend treasure hunt. So I left that behind to another Hot Wheels collector. I hope someone finds it and is happy. And the last Hot Wheels Custom 68 Camaro. And I'll actually find the last year's edition of it as well. And here it is. The red one is the new one. And here it is, up and close. It's a really nice casting with the 68 meaning the year of the Hot Wheels. And also the year of the car. This car is from 1968. And here it is. Let's group these two. Take away this custom. And here it is. And here's all the Hot Wheels unboxed. So, like and subscribe. And I hope to see you in a future video. Subscribe.